Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a lot of exciting news to share with you guys here, and including catching you up on what I've been doing, where I've been, why I haven't uploaded lately. And as you can see on my screen right here, this is the exact reason why. I've been creating my own cloud server for all my laser files, and I also have some other exciting news to share with you too, so stick around. But I'm going to share with you guys how this cloud server works, and we'll get into that here. Before we get into that, I want to show you guys some other exciting news really quick. On our Etsy page, we just hit over 20,000 sales, so I really appreciate all of you that have supported me along the way. And then on other news, I've released a new design here. It's a little stackable Hot Wheels display. So if you're interested in that, I finally got a new design out after I created that cloud server. And lastly, I wanted to say thank you for all of your guys' 5-star reviews. We're almost to 1,400 5-star reviews there. So I really appreciate all of your guys' support. Now with all that out of the way, let's jump back into this cloud server and let me tell you guys about this and how awesome it is. So this is what I've been putting all my time into for the past week and a half, is creating this cloud server using a network attached storage device here. I got this little cheap 2-bay system, and I say cheap because this is kind of like the starting point for these. So they're kind of expensive, but if you can afford one, they are amazing, and in the long run, it will save you some money if you do a lot of cloud storage, like Google Drive or iCloud, that kind of thing. And I'll show you guys the hard drives that I put in mine. That's why it's called a 2-bay system. You basically put 2 hard drives in this style one, and you can get larger ones if you really want to. But I'm never going to use the storage that I picked in my lifetime probably. But I'm going to show you guys that. So this is basically going to be for all my laser files, all my editing videos that you see on YouTube here, just for storage and backup. But it also allows me to sync across all my computers. So if I open up my file explorer here, as you can see, these little green check marks here means that it's living on both my computer and the cloud system. And then I can choose whether I want to save up space by right-clicking this and then sending it to the cloud, or if I want to keep it on the computer permanently, I can do that too. So it's really awesome. That way, if something happens to my computer, it'll be on this cloud storage system here, and I can always recover it. And then the cloud storage system will then let you back up another copy to like an external hard drive or a separate cloud storage system if you choose to do that. But I'm choosing to try and save some money, so I'm going to be putting it on to an external hard drive and then storing that external hard drive in a fireproof safe. With all that out of the way, I know that's a lot all at once, but this thing is really awesome. I'm really glad that I put the effort into this, and I think you guys are going to be benefiting from this in the end with the workflow that I can jump on any computer now to create some new designs for you guys and new video editing tools. That way I can just pick up on one computer where I left off for all these videos that I make for you guys. So let's jump into what kind of hard drives that I used for this. I used these Iron Wolf Pro network attached storage drives here. I did the 16 terabytes because I probably will never use 16 terabytes in my lifetime, but I wanted to make sure I had enough space for as long as I lived here. But you can get smaller if this is too expensive. You can definitely get like smaller ones a lot cheaper. I think you can get 4 terabyte drives now for as low as like $80 or something, plus the cost of that network attached storage. So in the long run, if you're paying quite a bit for cloud storage already, this may save you in the long run. But if you don't use cloud storage at all, then this probably won't save you some money. But I still recommend it because it'll back up quite a bit. And basically with both of these, I got 2 of these. The reason why I got 2 of the exact same ones is with these network attached storage systems, you can put them in what's called a RAID format, or there's different kinds of formats. With Synology, there's one called SHR, I believe it's called, and it's essentially kind of like a RAID 1, but you can keep adding bigger hard drives or mix and match the hard drives in that mode, and that's the mode that I went with. So basically, what with that RAID, I think it's RAID 1 or that SHR, what happens is when you put the 2 hard drives inside here, if I write to the first hard drive on the left, it'll automatically copy what I write on that to the right-hand side hard drive. So it's making an instant backup. That way, if one of the hard drives crash, I can then buy a new hard drive, plug it in, and then the other one that has the duplicate will rewrite it back to the original. So all my files will be completely backed up and secure. And then, like I said earlier, I am backing all this up to an external hard drive as well. That way I have 3 copies of my files at all times. That way I don't lose them ever in case like a fire or something like that happens. So this is really awesome. I really like this product a lot. If you're interested in it, you can go over to our Amazon affiliate shop. It's just amazon.com/shop/FreshStartCustoms. I'll put that down in the link below. And then the recommended list, it'll look something like this. I've got the server that I use and the exact hard drive that I use here. Like I said, you can substitute a lower amount of storage if you don't need that much. That is a massive amount of storage. So you just get that if you're going to be doing a lot of video editing like I am. Otherwise, you can reduce that and save some money. But yeah, so far this has been really amazing. The speeds don't seem that bad on this like entry level model. If you want even higher transfer speeds, you can get like a higher model. But this one is awesome. I really recommend it. And yeah, that's pretty much what I've been up to. I just wanted to share with you guys where I've been, what I've been doing, and how awesome this cloud server has been working for me so far with testing it. And then I also wanted to thank you guys for all of your support with like the 20,000 sales on the Etsy shop. And then don't forget about our freshstartcustoms.com. I really appreciate all of you guys' support. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.